complete QuickBase guide, how to use QuickBase step by step. Hi there, you guys. You are looking forward to use QuickBase to make your own application. You hit on the right video. So in this guide, I will be talking about how to use QuickBase and how to get started with it using this PDF file right here. So basically, let's get to know QuickBase, you guys. QuickBase is a low-code platform that enables developers to build, customize, and connect business apps. Now, these are the things that we will cover on this video, and hopefully I'll have enough time for me to like talk about all of these, and hopefully we won't get confused. But basically, it's easy to set up. First is we're gonna learn the basics, learn the QuickBase language, learn how to log into a QuickBase account, know your options for building apps, integrate with other apps, and after that, you can become like a powerful user. Now, before we log in, let's try to learn the QuickBase language right here. So we have terms that we need to understand. We have apps, field, and form. So here, apps, an app is a collection of tables with data which can be connected to each other and then used to generate reports, charts, email notifications, and other workflows. So as you can see here, these is how it looks like when we're going to try and log into our account. Next is a field. A field is an individual component of a record. So just like the column in a spreadsheet. So this one, we're going to need to fill out the field if it has like an asterisk right there. It's a required field for us to fill. Next is a form. A form is a way to display an individual record in a format that can be more intuitive for a user who is uncomfortable with large tables and reports. So like here, for example, a request form for marketing, what do you need, and stuff like that. Next is we're gonna learn about integrations, notifications, and record. So when I say integrations, it gives you the ability to connect with other cloud apps so that you can bring more of your data into QuickBase. You can do this by, using connected data right here. Notifications are custom alerts that you can set up to keep your team informed and on track. We're gonna go ahead and look at these features later on. Next is, of course, the record. A record is an individual row of data that is stored on one of the tables in your app. This could be a customer purchase, order, student project, or any type of data. A lot of records that can actually be inputted here. So it depends on what you need on your workflow. Next is, of course, relationship and reports. And we have here, a relationship is a connection between two tables of data. It can be used to pass information about records from one table to other. And reports are methods of organizing, visualizing, and sharing your information. So they come in following forms, charts, tables, summaries, calendars, timelines, and maps. We also have roles and permissions. Roles and permissions are ways for you to control who can see or edit data within your apps. And a table is a collection of records and also the information that a user wishes to track about each of these records. So if you're an icon glossary, basically like a legend for all the icons. Now, these icons represent the different things that you can do. For example, the globe icon, everyone on the internet can access this app. Next is this app has been modified or new entries have been added to it since you last opened it. And let's see how this basically looks like when we try to log in. So when you want to try to access QuickBase, you can start free trial by clicking this button right here and enter your business email. But I'm going to enter my personal email for this because I really don't have like a business email just yet. And I'm going to like use a generated password here and hit next. All right. So now we're going to add in like different information like our first name and job title. I'm just gonna put it sir, and a company name will be like 25 min, just a dummy company name. And company size, like maybe like I'm gonna choose 10,000 plus or 0 to 99, and then take this off and then start trial. Okay, we're also gonna need to fill this out. We can I'm looking forward to manage budgets. The tools I'm currently using are paper and whiteboard. What else? And questions, comments. Okay, let's get started together. Okay, let's skip directly to trial. All right, now we're here on the platform, you guys. All right, so what you can do to create a new app for yourself or for your business is to click this button, create a new app. And you can build a template if you want to start from scratch, import a spreadsheet, or import from Lucid Chart. No, you can build from a template right here. There are tons of templates that we can actually choose from right here in QuickBase. Now, what are you looking forward to work on? It asks you that because it will show you the templates based on what you'll answer here. So manage your customer relationships, market organization, service or facilities. You can click this, manage customer relationship, or market our market organization. I want to manage customer relationships. I can continue. All right. So this is the visual builder. So the visual builder provides an easy way to diagram and plan your app. So you can create tablets and fields and connect relationships, all by dragging and dropping items onto the canvas. So you can take a tour if you want to, but basically it works just like dropping and dragging. So this is like the app properties right here on the right side. You can change the app name right over here. So like, let me just put in 25 min, and you can put the description of the app right over here. So what happens is that these are the accounts that you need to fill in. 11 fields, right? So what you want to do here is to edit accounts. All right, you can edit the name right here, contacts, opportunities, and activities. So what you want to do is to like drag in text here, and then you can actually drop it down over here. Now you can see here, I want to type in any type of text that I want to. It's also possible. Now let's try and check out all of these stuff. So yeah, I mean the guide. Right, so now, know your options for building an app. So there are 4 different ways. Create an app by uploading spreadsheets, download a pre-built app from Exchange, build up from scratch, or work with expert partners to build a custom app. So find the right option for you to build your app. So do you have time and resource to build your own app? You can work with a partner. Or if you have existing data spreadsheets or other programs, you can build. No, you can build from scratch. If yes, you can upload spreadsheets, you guys. So now, if you don't have all of these, you can build from scratch. So now let's take a look at that building from scratch. Building an app from scratch allows you to define the tables, fields, and relationship that comprise it. So create an app that maps exactly to your unique needs and processes, no coding required. So step 1 in my apps page, click create a new app. That's what we did, and build a new app from scratch from the dialog box. I think we clicked in build from a thumbnail. So let's from a template. Let's start from scratch. Right there, and now we're in. You can name your application. Choose the database method. Let's see here. All right, maybe later. Okay, got it. So now the database method can either be like create an application from scratch by defining tables, fields, and relationship that comprise it. Database right here. All right, so next is when building from scratch, the order is up to you, but some steps to consider include adding data to your tables, editing the settings of your app, adding new tables and relationships, and adding reporting. So you guys, that's how you use that's how that's the beginner's guide to QuickBase. Basically, there are tons of things to learn when you're trying to develop your own app, but QuickBase, moves us closer one step ahead of others when we're trying to build an app, because it's already right here, the resources are here. So what you want to do next is to learn a bit more about coding. So let me know, guys, what you think about the video down in the comments below. But that's it for this video. See you again in the next video. Peace out.